Hello artists! Today we are drawing a very cute cat. The first thing I'm going to do is some blocking. This means lightly drawing where you want things to be, so you have a guide when you start to use your pen. Quickly draw a circle for the head, the triangle ears, nose, and eyes. The outside of his legs start at the sides of his head and taper in all the way down to his feet. Draw a curve on both sides for his body. Then draw a bigger curve for his legs because he is sitting, and where you want the tail. Remember, this is just a guide to help you. Things are getting serious now. Get out your pen. Start at the top of his head and make small, quick strokes so he looks furry. His ears are just triangles with a rounded corner at the top. Add a little bump at the bottom to look like a real cat's ear. Draw some more furry lines for both sides of his face. His mouth is an upside down heart shape. Draw 2 circles for the eyes with a smaller circle inside each and a triangle for the nose. Put a curve above each eye for a cat eye look. Add his chin, just like this. Now use the first strokes on both sides of his legs. The longer the strokes are, the more fluffy he will look. Do the same for his body, and his legs, and his tail. In this video, we're drawing the kitty. But if you'd like to learn how to color him, there's another video on my channel for that. The collar goes right under his chin, and you can add a name tag or a charm. I'm going to make a fish. Color in his eyes, and then add some whiskers and some hair at his ears. I like to go back at the end and make some lines thicker. And once you're done with that, you've got one cute cat.